It's a case that's gotten attention nationwide. The case of the disappearance of Crystal Rogers. And to this day, she remains to be found. And new tonight, Crystal Rogers' mother and 4 children now suing Brooks Houck, the man charged with murder in Rogers' case. According to our ABC affiliate WHAS, Sherry Ballard filed a wrongful death lawsuit Monday in Nelson County Circuit Court. According to the lawsuit, Ballard was appointed as the administrator of Rogers' estate in November. The appointment came after Houck was charged with murder in September. The lawsuit states Houck intentionally and wrongly caused Rogers' death. Ballard claims she's entitled to recover damages from Houck. This comes as ABC 36's Anna Medina is in Bardstown as the third man arrested in connection to Rogers' case made a court appearance.
It's been 8 years since the disappearance of Crystal Rogers, and to this day, her body has never been recovered, and she's been presumed dead. Now, today, 3 men are jailed on charges regarding her disappearance, and today, one of those men, Stephen Lawson, appearing for court via Zoom for multiple charges.
We don't care how long it takes, as long as they can prosecute what they've got, who they've got, and get 3 more.
Edward Till Ballard reflects on the case of his granddaughter, Crystal Rogers. The mother of 5 was reported missing on July 3rd of 2015. But as the family continues searching for Crystal, the case moves through the judicial system with 3 men behind bars. Stephen Lawson, his son Joseph Lawson, and Brooks Houck, who at the time was Crystal's boyfriend.
It's going to be hard. Holidays coming up, but I feel confident we'll find her remains. You know, I'm hoping and praying.
Meantime, on Thursday, Stephen Lawson, the third man arrested in connection to the case, making his first court appearance. Lawson is charged with conspiracy to commit murder and tampering with physical evidence. The same charges as his son Joseph, who is also accused of being involved in the case.
His involvement is, as I've stated before, that he picked his son up. Had a flat tire on about mile marker 14 on the Bluegrass Parkway heading west. He received a phone call from his son that he broke down. He went out there and picked him up, and there was a flat tire. Picked his son up, drove back to Nelson County.
Lawson's attorney, Theodore Lavitt, waiving his formal arraignment and the formal reading of his indictment. Lawson entering a plea of not guilty on all charges. Lavitt, Lawson's attorney, also asking the judge for a bond reduction.
He was on his own recognizance before, and he should be on his own recognizance now. Nothing has changed, and I think I've asked for a bond hearing for good cause, and he's a low risk, as reported by pretrial services, and so I want to see where we're going on bond.
Lavitt also spoke on the supposed exchange between authorities and Stephen Lawson regarding critical information for immunity.
I have documentation to substantiate that for his testimony, for his cooperation, for the times that he has been at post 4 with me and without me for the greater part of a year. He was offered immunity, and we're going to stand on that.
Meantime, Crystal's family believes otherwise.
He was involved 100% from day one. I think he was involved, and he knew what was going on. And when they made the phone call that night, when the police officer, Johnson Snow, was interviewing Brooks Houck, and Steve Lawson called him.
Ballard also adding,
let the law handle him and the rest of them, all of them, and I hope they don't see daylight again.
Lawson will be back in court on January 4th here in Nelson County, and he's expected to be in person. In Bardstown, Anna Medina, ABC 36, on your side.